Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to do a web check-in in Etihad Airways. So first, search up Etihad Airways on your web browser and then click on the first link. And then once you're there, all you have to do is press this check-in tab right here and then input your booking reference or ticket or Etihad guest number and then your last name. So if you're wondering where you can find this, just click on this link right here. And then it says there, your booking reference. You can find your 6-character booking reference in the confirmation email or receipt that you received when you booked your flight. For your ticket number, you can find your 13-digit ticket number in the confirmation email or receipt that you have received when you booked your flight. Your ticket number will start with Etihad 607, American 001, or Virgin Australia 795. So yeah, unfortunately, I do not have a flight using this airways, so yeah, once you input the required details, just click on check-in, and then after that, there will be more processes that you can do, like adding more luggage, changing the seats, and etc. And then once you're done, you're done. So yeah, that is how you do a web check-in in Etihad Airways. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.